They're about to come down. They don't want to come down.
Is that them?
Try more. All right, Pigeon World. So just having fun with the white racing pigeon there earlier, but so I found out that the race is gonna be first week of February. So that's coming up in about 3 weeks. And the first race is gonna be 116 miles, and these birds have only done 15 miles. So the next 3 weeks we're gonna be in training mode. At least get these guys to maybe 50 miles or 75 miles before the race starts. Well, that's the plan. Hopefully I can pull through, but this is my team right now for the Old Bird race coming February 2022. All right, so that's the team. Thank you guys for watching, and I know. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good day, everyone. All right, so lastly, let me give you guys a quick update here, my breeders. And this is the young ones right here. Right there. So shout out to Jeds for coming through at the ring bands right on time. So thanks, Jeds. All right, there it is. All right, so those are my first two 2022 birds. All right, Pigeon World, so I appreciate you guys tuning in, and thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.